Hi everyone, Ron Crider reporting for duty. It is January the 11th. It's Monday. It's a new day and a new week here, and we have new numbers. Now, unfortunately, our deaths have gone up instead of down like they did yesterday. Yesterday we had 106 for the entire state of Florida. Today we have 155, 49 more than yesterday. Positives, 11,576 for the entire state of Florida. That's 737 less than yesterday. That's a good thing. Yesterday we had 12,313. And if we take a look at the vaccinations for the entire state, we've administered so far 587,956 for the entire state of Florida. And in the past 24 hours, we put out 29,630. Not bad at all. Let's take a look at Dade County. Miami-Dade. 28 new deaths to report in the past 24 hours, 2,094 new positives. So far, Miami-Dade has put out 68,748 vaccinations, and in the past 24 hours, 5,303. In Broward and Fort Lauderdale, 8 new deaths to report, 1,153 new positives down there, 50,193 total vaccinations in Broward County, 3,276 in the past 24 hours. In Palm Beach County, 17 new deaths to report, 831 new positives. So far, they vaccinated 42,311 in Palm Beach County, 4,833 in the past 24 hours. Go down here to Orange County. Orange County is Orlando. 19 new deaths to report in the past 24 hours, 1,054 new positives. Orange County, Orlando, has vaccinated 38,438, and in the past 24 hours, 239. In Brevard County, that's Melbourne, 1 new death to report in the past 24 hours, 370 new positives. They've vaccinated 14,951, and in the past 24 hours, 892. Let's take a look at St. Lucie County. St. Lucie County is Fort Pierce. No new deaths to report in the past 24 hours, 173 new positives. So Fort Pierce has administered 5,261 new doses of the vaccine, 68 in the past 24 hours. In Martin County, that's Stewart, no new deaths to report, 23 new positives. They vaccinated 5,331, 58 in the past 24 hours. And then here in Indian River County, where we are, no new deaths to report in the past 24 hours, 129 new positives. So far here in Indian River County, we've vaccinated 4,581, and we did 76 in the past 24 hours. Now let me take you down here and give you a look at the zip codes for Vero Beach. This is Indian River County, Vero Beach, zip code 32948. 8 new positives in the past 24 hours. Zip code 32958, 14 new positives. Zip code 32960, that's Vero Beach proper, 23 new positives in the past 24 hours. Zip code 32962, 24 new positives. Zip code 32963 here on the Barrier Island, that would be 8 new positives. So far since we started, we've had 536 positive cases. Vero Beach also 32966, 805 total positives since we started, 13 in the past 24 hours. Zip code 32967, 23 new positives in the past 24 hours. And zip code 32968, 14 new positives in the past 24 hours. Somewhere between 29 and 27, the new positives in the past 24 hours. Sorry about some of these numbers. They're always just a little bit wonky. You get numbers from one place and another, and they're just a teeny bit off. I'm not quite sure why that is. So far, we have distributed in the United States 22,137,350 doses of this vaccine. We've administered 8,070,880 as of today. In Texas, they've administered 752,324. California has administered 734,405. As I said, here in Florida, this number is always a little different. This one says 596,735 that we have administered thus far. The one I gave you just a little bit earlier was a teeny bit off of that, depending on where they get it. This one comes from Bloomberg. Rhode Island has administered 31,541. They have a total of 72,175 doses there. In Colorado, they've administered 217,250. Up in Wisconsin, 123,402. In Minnesota, they've administered 132,280. And up in Jersey for Danny, 209,534. Back here to the entire state of Florida, 2.78 per 100 people is this particular number. You'll notice that goes up just about every day. Don't like to show you this, but I'll do it anyway. I'm going to go up here and show you the cases. And you just need to see the graph here. This is just so bad. This is where we were back here in the summertime, and this is where we are now. Look at this. This is just horrible. This is a result of Christmas and New Year's, and look where we are. Greatly now have exceeded what was going on back here in the summertime. So, yes, the pandemic in its second phase here in the wintertime is worse than the first, and we never expected that. We hoped it would not happen, but when you put Christmas and New Year's into the mix, that's exactly what you're going to get. Now let's go down here and take a look at the deaths. Deaths are a little bit better, not quite as bad as they were during the summertime, and this one horrible one of 217 is a combination of 2 days. Otherwise, we would be under 200, and there were a bunch of them over here, over 200 back here in the summertime. We have one that was pretty close at 184, and that was in January the 8th. But this one in January the 2nd, that was a combination of 2 days, so that's why that one is so high. So we have the deaths a little bit better under control. We're able to take care of people who get sick easier than we were when we first got started because we were sticking everybody on ventilators, and now that's not necessarily the case. So that's a good thing for a lot of people. It's a good thing that we don't need as many ventilators. It's a good thing that we're not sticking people on those ventilators. Alrighty, now let's take a look at the worst possible cases. This is what we refer to as the global view. USA cases, 22,515,032. Total number of cases, 22 million, over 22 million. Very big number. USA deaths, 375,239. Total global cases, this is the biggest number, not the worst. The worst is coming, but the biggest number is 90,673,898. This is the worst number here. These are the number of people who have passed away as a result of COVID-19 is 1,940,321, and we're closing in on 2 million people that have died as a result of COVID-19. Now, I was promising to give you some sort of an easy way to figure out how to get vaccinated. It doesn't seem to be working out very well. Yes, Publix is going to be offering the vaccinations, but they only have like 120 a day that they can give out. You can go to their Publix site, go to the Publix website, and you'll see where you can sign up for the vaccinations. You can sign up with Indian River County. You can sign up for those, but most of those are coming now towards the end of January because as soon as you go there, they're going to say, sorry, we're all booked up. But if you have a little patience, you might be able to get through. And then also, Cleveland Clinic has some as well. You sign up there. That's even more difficult to sign up for. You would think if you were a patient of the hospital, it would be easier for you to get those vaccinations. So far, it hasn't been very easy for me. So those are the three places that I'm aware of. I can't tell you about CVS or Walgreens quite yet. I don't see what's going on with those places, although they're supposed to have the vaccines as well. Just seems to me like we could be doing this a little bit better. Certainly is not the fault of the president. He got the vaccines here in Florida. They're here. We're just having a problem getting them into your arms. So I don't know who to blame for that. I don't want to be blaming anybody. I just would like somebody to get it fixed. All right, folks, thanks for watching today. These are the numbers for today for January the 11th, for Monday, a new day, new week here in Florida, and we're living through this. You have to wear your mask. Distance, space. Come on, guys. Stop getting together and going out, hanging out at bars like nothing's going on. Something is going on. And the vaccine isn't going to get here until sometime at the end of probably spring or early summer. So that's not going to save you right now. And we really need to get that. Keep trying to get it. Do whatever you can. Let me know if you come up with a better way to do it than I have, because so far I haven't done a very good job of it. Alrighty, folks, have a really great, blessed Monday. I look forward to seeing you back here on Tuesday. Ron Crider, signing off with the numbers.